Hello and welcome everyone. Welcome to Cloud Learner Pro channel. In this channel, today we will learn about Azure Windows Virtual Machine. So what is virtual machine? We will create a separate video for it. In this video, we'll try to learn about the process of creating Azure Windows Virtual Machine and how we can connect to Azure Windows Virtual Machine. Let's get started.
So to create virtual machine in Azure portal, you can come to the virtual machine blade and you can click on create virtual machine. Here you have to select a subscription. If you have multiple subscriptions, you'll have to select the right subscription and you create a resource group. If you are not having any existing resource group, I'll tell Azure VM session is my resource group, and I'm giving virtual machine name as new machine Azure, and I'm selecting a region as West Europe. I'm not going with any availability option. Since I'm creating the virtual machine for the first time, I'm not using any extra options. I'm going with the default or basic options. So I'm not using availability option. In further class, we will be talking about availability options. Here I'm selecting an image version. So as per the requirement, I'm just selecting 2016. VM size, I'm going with the available one here, or I can choose any other VM SKU type as well. But for now, I'm going with the available or which is selected already. Now I'm going to provide a username password. I'm going to leave. I'm going to leave this inbound port rules as is, allow selected ports. Since we selected the image as Windows 16, I'm going to select the port as RDP, which is for Windows. And I'm not selecting any license here. So if you are creating Azure Virtual Machine for the first time, I ask you not to change anything here and directly click on Review Create. So you can learn a little bit about disk, networking, extra options, and then you can go and edit them. If you just want to deploy a virtual machine without any complexity, you can just click on Review Create. So the remaining options will be automatically chosen and it will be creating for you once you click on Create. So my validation, the virtual machine creation validation is successful. If you click on create, it will take you to the deployment page where it will start initializing the deployment and it will start creating the resources or it will start deploying the resources. So this is the page where you can see the deployment status. So which resources are getting created, what is the resource name, all those information, you will be able to see it. After a few minutes, like 5 minutes something, you will be able to see the deployment status has succeeded. In case if there are any issues with this deployment, you will be able to see the error messages as well here in the same page. So let's wait and check it out, whether we will get the error message or we'll get the succeeded message. So you all can see the deployment is successful now. So let me go to the resource. Here I can see the virtual machine which is created and the virtual machine options are available like this. So when you want to connect to virtual machine, what you can do, you can copy this public IP address and you can open MSTSC. You provide the IP address details, which you copied. So here itself, you can type / the username and password which you provided. The username I provided was test admin. I am providing the password of this username. See, once you enter the right credentials, it will tell you remote desktop connection is ready. If you click on yes, or if you click on Y in keyboard, it will launch the RDP connection for you. So this is the process, or this is the way how you can connect to virtual machine once you create it in the Azure portal.
And finally, thanks for watching this video. If you like this video, please subscribe to this channel.